Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. The Copilot brand from Microsoft has grown to encompass several distinct products, each with a specific purpose and target audience. Understanding the differences between Microsoft Copilot, Microsoft 365 Copilot, and Copilot Studio is essential for knowing which tool to use. Here is a full comparison of these three products as of late 2025. We shall start with Microsoft Copilot. That is the general AI assistant. This is the AI you can access for free on the web at copilot.microsoft.com right here in the Edge browser sidebar as well, or through the standalone Copilot app on Windows, Mac OS, and mobile devices. So we have the primary purpose of it here. This is a general purpose AI assistant for everyday tasks. It's designed for broad use cases from web search and creative writing to trip planning and brainstorming. Now, these are some of the key features of it. Web-grounded answers. It uses Microsoft's Bing search engine to provide real-time, up-to-date information with citations. It also has creative capabilities. It can generate images with DALL-E, write poems, and craft social media posts. It also has broad availability. It's available to anyone with a Microsoft account. Also, we have mobile integration. It can perform on-device actions on Android and iOS, such as setting reminders or drafting texts. Also, let's get to the pricing. Free for basic use, a premium tier is available as part of a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription, also offering higher usage limits and access to more powerful models. Now we also have ideal use case. Anyone who needs a versatile, everyday AI assistant for personal or general purpose tasks. Let's now get to Microsoft 365 Copilot, that is the productivity booster. This is the enterprise-grade AI assistant deeply integrated into the Microsoft 365 suite of applications, that is either Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, etc. Now, this is the primary purpose of it. A productivity copilot for business users. Its goal is to automate routine tasks, summarize information, and generate content from within an organization's own data. Now, these are some of the key features. Contextual awareness. It operates on your company's data, respecting permissions and security policies. In Outlook, it can summarize long email threads. In Teams, it can create meeting recaps with action items. In Word, it can draft a document based on a PowerPoint presentation and a spreadsheet. Also, we have Microsoft Graph integration. It connects with your organization's Microsoft Graph data, that is either emails, chats, documents, and a calendar, to provide highly personalized and relevant responses. This is its key differentiator. We also have business-focused agents in here. It includes specialized agents for sales, services, and other business functions. Let's also see the pricing. It requires a qualifying Microsoft 365 business plan, that is Enterprise, Business Premium, or Business Standard, and an additional monthly fee per user, often around $30. It's a premium add-on for organizations as well. We also have ideal use case. Employees in a business environment who need to boost their productivity by leveraging their company's data and workflows. Let's get to Copilot Studio. That is the customization platform. This is a low-code or no-code development environment that allows businesses to create and customize their own AI assistants or copilots. This is the primary purpose for it, empowering an organization to build tailored AI agents that address specific business needs. It's for makers and developers who want to create custom AI solutions. We also have these key features. The first one is visual development, a drag and drop interface for building conversational flows and business logic. We also have connectors and plugins. It can connect to over 1800 external data sources like Salesforce, ServiceNow, and custom APIs, and has a suite of pre-built plugins. Autonomous agents as well allows for the creation of agents that can perform multi-step automated tasks on their own, such as an agent that automatically orders supplies when inventory is low. We also have deployment flexibility. The custom agents can be deployed to Microsoft 365 Copilot, websites, Teams, or other platforms. Let's also see the pricing of Copilot, priced on a consumption basis with a per tenant monthly fee and a message based billing model. The cost can vary based on usage and complexity. We also have the ideal use case for it. Companies that want to build a specialized AI for a specific task, like a customer service bot, an internal knowledge base, or a sales assistant, is good to work with this. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.